Hello, welcome back to another episode in this series where I try to document everything from coding, business, marketing stuff to launch my cooking app, Doro. Now time for the script. Um, so Doro is a cooking app that not only plans out your week's dinner recipes based on ingredient freshness, it also minimizes waste from your fridge. So it makes sure that you will be able to use up all of your ingredients as you shop. And it also generates you the entire week's grocery list. So you can just make like one trip instead of multiple throughout the week. Yeah, it does that. And it also has like pantry management and other interesting features. So today, by the way, the reason why I kind of like enlarged this thumbnail thing is because based on YouTube stats, it seems like people 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 prefer it. Like the videos where my face is just like a tiny square in the corner seems to not get many views. I guess it's because like with a stranger's face here, people are like, oh, what's this person's deal? And that kind of thing. So yeah. So now that I've done my intro, well, not yet, I guess. I'm I gotta introduce what I'm doing today, right? Today, we are going to be looking at the recipe detail page um, and trying to like edit it up a little bit because as you can see here in this preview, the instructions are truncated because initially I designed it this way because I figured before you start cooking, you might not want to see such a long list of instructions. But then this page is actually shown in the recipe selection page. So people might want to see the entire like steps, the entire recipe instructions before they select the recipe. So the first thing is I'm gonna just put all the instructions in this section. And the second fix that I
Step
want to
1.
be
Bring a large
making
pot of salted
is
water to boil. Cook pasta. Step 1.
the
Bring a
second.
large pot of salted
I
water
don't
to
know.
boil. Cook pasta for 8 minutes until al dente. Timer set for 8 minutes.
So I don't know if the audio caught the recording caught the audio playback, but so this page has got a bunch of timers associated with each step so that you don't have to, like set your own timers, whatever. But I found that as I'm cooking, I have to keep going back to the previous page to check what's the ingredient quantity I should use. So I'm gonna just
Step 1.
here
Bring a large pot of salted water
also
to boil. Cook
in the start cooking page also add the ingredients section there. Okay, let's get started. But first, I need to like decrease my camera size by a lot. Okay, I think that should be fine. Okay, cool. All right. Uh, okay. Okay. So the first thing is showing all of the steps here in the instruction section. Blah, blah, blah. So I think that is easy because we just show all instead of the prefix 3. Yeah. All right. First bug is fixed. Second issue in the I guess this text also needs to be changed. Start cooking. Start cooking. What should I say? Maybe maybe just start cooking, right? There's a big floating start cooking button anyway with timers, maybe? Shouldn't be too confusing, right? But I guess this kind of thing you only know when the users start using it. So yeah. Start cooking with timers. So the nutrition section is not implemented yet because the backend is not ready for it. Yeah. Show cooking mode. When we show cooking mode, we will do a full screen cover for this cooking mode view. What do we want? Oh, I think in the cooking mode view, we wanted to show the ingredients like section as well, right?
Step 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to boil. Cook pasta for 8 minutes until al dente. Timer set for 8 minutes.
So where should we put it? Maybe, okay, so there's header, there's progress. I guess the only place to put it would be right under the progress section, right? All right. I think it should, of course, follow the ingredients section. Can we use this in there? View model. I think it was just the previous video when we saw how when we saw how the profile view, not the profile view, but like the one of the sections, the cuisine preferences sheet used the dependencies, right? So like in the parent view, it initialized the dependencies and whatever, and then in here we didn't have to initialize the view model again, and we could directly reference the stuff, the user data repository. So maybe we can try the same thing in the other place, right? I want to see how the ingredient section is used. Okay.
Step 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to boil. Cook pasta for 8 minutes until al dente. Timer set for 8 minutes.
Okay, seems like since I already have that in here, ingredient section. Oh, it's a private view. Okay, so let's just ask ChatGPT to refactor it as a non-private public view, and then use that in cooking mode view. Can you add ingredients section? Can you change section in recipe detail view? To non, so that I can use that in cooking mode view. I want ingredients section to be right below progress section in cooking view. Okay. So it removed the whole chunk. Put it in here. Okay. And then let's see. Ew, what is this? Oh my gosh. Terrible. There's an error. What is that? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so ChatGPT in Xcode often hallucinate, as you saw. Okay. Still shows up in ingredients. Let's see in here.
Step 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to boil. Cook part. Step 2. Dice pancetta into small cubes.
Okay, so ingredient section's here, but then the padding looks terrible. Let's tell it then. So the reason why the ingredient section recipe ingredient section looks fine in recipe detail view is because it's in a VStack with spacing 24. Whereas I guess in the cooking mode view it's not. Yeah, maybe I can just try this. But is it gonna mess up my other stuff? I guess I can just listen.
Step 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to boil. Cook pasta for 8 minutes until al dente. Timer set for 8 minutes.
Oh well, that's fine. Maybe I'll just add padding then.
Step 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to boil. Cook pasta for 8 minutes until al dente. Timer set for 8 minutes.
Actually, you know what? I might put this in the scroll.
Step 1. Bring a large pot of salted.
Then we probably don't need this anymore.
Step 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to boil. Cook
Okay.
pasta for 8 minutes until al dente. Timer set for 8 minutes.
Just gonna test how it looks like on my phone.
Step 1. Prepare a grill for medium-high heat and oil the grate with vegetables.
Okay, seems like it worked. I will just push